Hello, friends. I received an envelope today. Look, there's $100 here. Wow. Looks like I got into Squid Game. I urgently need to cut out the right cookie shape and not break it. If the cookie cracks, I'm out. Challenge accepted. First of all, I'll light a fire and melt the sugar in my mini saucepan. You need to stir it constantly so that the sugar dissolves faster. When it boils with orange bubbles, I'll add soda and immediately stir it. Oh, I overdid it. Well, everything is solidified. We'll have to start over. I won't give up. This time, I'll put more sugar and less soda. It should work. Stirring it. Just what you need. Now I'll pour this in and choose a cookie cutter. I'll take a star.
Wow!
Yes, the cookies are ready. Now the fun begins. I have to cut out a star with this needle. It's good that I guessed to heat it up. This should work. So calmly, without sudden movements. Just a little more. I can do it. Hooray! I did it.
Well done.
Congratulations. Here's your money. Thank you.
Wow! Amazing!
It seems I have an idea. I'll decorate the cake with my star. It's good that I have a ready-made cupcake. I'll cut it into layers and create a mini masterpiece. You'll lick your fingers. I'll fix the first layer with cream from the bottom and, of course, apply it on all layers. It'll turn out just magically. Very tasty and beautiful. Now, I will gently smear the cream with a spatula to make smooth edges. The blue color will suit purple. I'll decorate the base of the cake with it. And I'll make a beige decor on top. I dedicate the cake to Squid Games. I have successfully cut out the shape of the star, so it goes next. It's always nice to win, and it's even cooler to celebrate it. Help yourself, friends.
Yeah!
Wow, how delicious! You're a real fairy. A delicious cake,
Thank you very
thanks.
much.
Hello guys, do you want to learn how to cook like your mom? Then look, I'll show you now. Who's the one in Potbelly guy here? It's Onion. Do you know what kind of magical ability an onion has? He knows how to cause tears. When you cut it, whether you want it or not, you start crying. Yeah, he's a real magician. No one has ever managed to hold back tears. Everyone was rowing like 3 cows. If you don't believe me, cut it yourself. Here's such an amazing vegetable, with character and bright taste. Moving on. Ginger is in front of us now. It is very similar to onions. They're best friends. Cutting it and putting aside. Now, this red kid is a pepper. It is very sweet and delicious. Let's add it too. There we go. And also beans and cilantro. It will turn out very good. Well, how about carrots? Do you like carrots? I just love it. It's so sweet and crunchy. What a beauty. And this is our fish meat. The princess among all. We'll put it separately, actually. There we go. Let's cut it. And now, we'll put them aside as well. Perfect. It's time to make a very delicious sauce from milk and orange curry scent. Adding it in. Wow, it's so soft. Do you like it? At the end, I will add fish sauce. There we go. Sugar. And lime juice. Hooray! We're doing great. Now you just need to mix it. Our amazing sauce is ready. Grease the frying pan with oil and fry the onion and ginger. Putting them in. Look, they've literally turned gold. Wow. Pour the sauce over them. Let them bathe in it. Whoa. Well, what about everyone else? They want to swim too. Great. And Cinderella, our princess, always comes last to the ball. Now everyone is together and everyone is having fun. It'll be very tasty. Ready. Well, what about Prince? Now we will cook some rice. Are you comfortable there? I think so. And setting the timer. Are you ready to meet the princess fish? Let's put the rice first. Oh, yeah, it's coming out. And here's our goldfish with his entourage. There we go. My mouth is watering. It's so delicious. They're the best couple in the world. Ta-da! A little cilantro for happiness. What a beauty. Enjoy your meal. Hurry up and show your masterpiece to Mom or whoever is closest. They'll be thrilled, just like me. This is a real miracle. I can't tear myself away. Hello, friends. Do you like Chupa Chups? Let's cook them. Which jam should I use? Green, orange, or yellow? I'll take everything.
Strawberry jam. Let's do it.
I'll also make a strawberry one. It'll be red like a fresh strawberry. To begin with, I'll cut it with my knife. Oh, what a fragrance! My mouth is watering. I would have eaten it by now. Ready. Now I'll put it in a blender. Add sugar and water, just like that. Super! I'm turning it on. Wait, that's not all. To make jam, you need to heat strawberry jam on the stove. I'll also splash some more lemon juice and sprinkle some sugar. Look, the jam begins to boil and thicken. So, you can remove the pan from the stove. Now, I'll pass it through a sieve to remove the pulp. Great! Blue tea will come next. I'll pour boiling water over it first so that it brews. And cover it with a lid. Let it sit there. Hooray! To make a Chupa Chups, I'll pour sugar into a frying pan and pour some sweet syrup. Also some water and milk. It turned out to be a sweet base for future Chupa Chups. Finally, I can pour it into bowls. And add my awesome jams. The first Chupa Chups will be strawberry. The second from blue tea. The third from kiwi. The fourth from passion fruit. And the fifth is a marmalade one. Ta-da! It remains to fill the jam molds. Put the sticks into the holes, just like that, and put them in the freezer. Ready! I got real Chupa Chups. They look cool.
Yummy.
I'll try orange. Wow, how delicious! And now blue. Let's see how different it is. Wow, that's so cool!